Hello everyone, this is me again, Mercerica Plaza, and for today's video we're going to talk about the Module 3, Lesson 5, which is Digital Literacy Skills in the 21st Century. The lesson outcomes in this topic is to identify and describe the elements of these digital literacies and conducted a self-evaluation on the level of digital literacy skill. Now, let us proceed to the different kinds of literacies. First is cyber literacy or digital literacy. Second is media literacy. Third is art and creativity literacy. Next is the financial literacy. And last is the multicultural literacy or global understanding. We all know that most of people nowadays are using different kind of technology. We use cell phones, computer, tablets for our learning. But not just only the students but also the teachers. The term digital literacy was coined by Paul Helster in 1897. It is individuals' capabilities to be able to effectively and responsibly function and perform in a digital society. Digital literacy is a visual literacy when image and non-verbal symbols try to capture the knowledge. It is technology literacy requiring one to be able to use technology in addressing a need. Computer literacy, which in 1990 started to become household item manipulated to achieve one's target. It is also information literacy, which refers to finding, evaluating, using, and sharing of information. Next is the digital literacies. Under the digital literacies, first is we have the media literacy. Media literacy is one's ability to critically read information or content and utilize multimedia in creatively producing communications. The next one is information literacy. It is locating information from the web and interpreting while evaluating its validity in order that it can be shared. Next is the ICT literacy or information communications technology. It is knowing how to select and use digital devices, applications, or services to accomplish tasks requiring the use of internet. The next one is communications and collaborations, are one's capabilities in being able to participate in the digital networks in the teaching and learning context. Next is identify management. It is being able to understand how to ensure safety and security in managing online, identify and foster a positive digital reputation. Next is learning skills. Learning skills are ways of knowing how to study and learn in a technology in a rich environment. Next one is digital scholarship. It is being able to link and participate in professional and research practices. Next is the 4 C's of the 21st century skills. We have collaboration, communication, creativity, and critical thinking. Collaboration is working together to reach a goal, putting talent, expertise, and smart to work. Next is the communication. It is sharing thoughts, questions, ideas, and solutions. Next is creativity. It is trying new approaches to get things done equals innovations and inventions. And lastly is the critical thinking. It is looking at problems in a new way, linking learning across subjects and disciplines. is citizenship and character. Citizenship is known as netizenship in the virtual world. This is making the person consider how one behaves accordingly by observing the norms and rules that are in accordance with that are socially and virtually accepted. As a result, one is projecting a reputable digital identity, which is his or her character. The next is digital versus The next is digital literacy skills versus digital literacy. According to Lynch 2017, there are 8 digital literacy skills needed to become digitally literate. The first one is coding. Coding is a universal language. Basic understanding of HTML, CSS, and the like will create a shared understanding of what can be done with a web page. Next is the collaboration. It is the use of Google Docs, among other, allows students to begin experimenting with effective online collaboration. Next is cloud software. This is essential parts of documents management. The cloud is used to store everything from photos to research projects and to term papers and even music. The fourth one is the word processing software. Google, Microsoft Online Dropbox are available for storage and management solution. Fifth one is screencasting. A screencast is a video recording using the computer screen and usually includes an audio. Next, we have personal archiving. Students should be taught the concept of metadata, tagging keywords and categories to make them aware how are they represented online. Next, information evaluation. It is critical thinking to weed out fake news is a crucial 21st century skills. And lastly, we have use of social media. It serves different purposes depending on the user, the technology, and the need. Digital skills: we can send an email or text, use Microsoft Office or Google, tweeting, posting to Facebook, uploading a video to YouTube, or posting a photo to Instagram, and researching from the World Wide Web. In digital literacy, it can evaluate the appropriate digital channel for online communication with peers, teachers, and parents. It can identify the benefits and drawbacks of each digital tool. Evaluate critically which tools is most effective for the project and at hand date. Can navigate the social media safely to protect oneself. Can also identify the hate propaganda and fake news. Evaluate the information online. Is it the site legitimate? Is it the author an expert? Or is it the information's current? Teachers and students should not only be proficient in how to use digital skills, but they need to see the information and media technology to find, evaluate, create, and communicate information requiring both cognitive and technical skills. That's all in this lesson. Thank you so much.